The problem is we've been thinking like Vigo. We have to start thinking like Riker.
Good luck with that. Listen, I'm sorry for...
Me too. It won't happen again. Look, we have to put our personal feelings aside and accept the risks. We can only protect each other to a point. Like we've been doing for years.
No, I know. You're right. I lost my head. It won't happen again.
It is nice to know you care, though.
If you don't know that by now, then...
Looks like she's got the mace, and I've got the talons. So, Vigo, it's game over, and we haven't even...
Tough nut!
Yeah, you're right. I would have the mace. You know, not her. I mean, everyone knows I'm a mace man. Guilty as charged. Mace man at heart. Good looking out, H.
Okay, that's awful.
Hiccup, are you still there?
Yes. I'm here, Astrid.
Will you and Toothless stay with me a little while? Just until I fall asleep.
Of course. We're not going anywhere. Are we, bud? Whatever you want it to mean, I am with you. There will always be a Hiccup and Astrid. Always.
Do you hear that?
Together. You don't think we can handle this?
Something.
Yeah, sure.
Back in the forest when we were, well, you know.
Yeah?
Were you about to...
Oh, so you felt that, huh? I maybe got away with it.
Well, why didn't you?
Oh. Well, it wasn't perfect. And I always thought that if it ever happened, and yes, I've thought about it a lot. It had to be just perfect.
Well, this seems pretty perfect to me.
Yeah? Yeah, I guess it does. I couldn't have done it without you.
We make quite the team, huh?
I certainly think so.
I know that look. What's wrong?
Nothing's wrong. It's just, well, yeah, Tuff's right. This is huge. Vigo, Burke, the Edge, and my dad putting his trust in me. If the mission fails, we could lose the Dragon Eye forever. And that could mean the end of the dragons, and they could be hunted to extinction, and I...
But they won't be, because this mission will not fail.
And then there's this Project Shellfire thing. I mean, what?
Hiccup, stop. You spent months planning this. It's gonna work.
Oh my Thor! What are you two? Wait, I know. It's so obvious. It is? Of course. You're just...
Way.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
It's finally over. It is over, right?
Yeah, of course. Definitely.
I should have listened to you. You are our leader. Our relationship can't get in the way of that. It won't happen again.
Just promise me you won't stop telling me what you're thinking. Astrid, I rely on you. It's what makes us, well, us. Deal?
Deal.
This changes
Everything.
Wait, so does this mean you're not dying?
Bring it in for the real one, Hiccup. Okay, gang. Once more around the island. Let's make sure the edge is secure.